So this is lecture 9. So we are building the low code and no code AI agent. So currently for this video we are working with the Langflow. So if you see on the screen, so Langflow is a low code and no code framework which is designed for the developers. So the primary purpose here is to simplify the creation of powerful AI agents and complex workflows. So it provides a visual drag and drop interface allowing you to connect different components like APIs, large language models, various databases without writing is very less code, you can say. So it's a part of the LangChain family of tools, and which is more focused on making the AI development more accessible, robust, and less time consuming. So getting started with Langflow, so this is the official website. Once you click it, it will this page will open, and you can start with get started for free, and you can download as a desktop version for the Mac and for Windows. Okay, so if you see, so it provides such kind of interfaces. Okay, we will walk through the how we can make simple agents using the Langflow. So just navigate and to the Langflow website and click on get started for free. Create an account. You can sign up or log in using your Google account or any another like email addresses. Once you log in, you will direct into the main dashboard. Okay, so this is how it looks. So once you log in, so you can create on the new flow. So once you click on the new flow button, you will be presented with several like templates. So here are the templates you can see, and some of the like this is the basic prompting template. This is the vector storage and simple agent. For this tutorial, we are focusing on on the simple agent template. So if you see here is some of the use cases also. If you want to build some of the assistants, so here is the like if you want to build general agent, you can click on this one. So this will be the React based framework which we discuss in lecture 2 or 3 in this playlist. Okay, so here is the memory chatbot. This is the single agent with chat history. Okay, so there are these are the pre-built templates. You can directly consume it. So here if you go here, so here is the classification use cases. So and it also includes the guardrails and moderation. Okay, intent detection, and here is the some of the coding: portfolio, website code generator, custom component generator. So this is content generation templates, like if you want to make some of the agents and some of the multi agent for the blog writing. Okay, PII data generator, SEO keyword generator, Instagram copywriter. And if you want to build some of the use case with respect to the question and answering, so here are some of the predefined templates. Okay, so we will start with the simple agent. So if you see, this is how the let me update. So if you see, this is the UI where you can let me zoom in. Okay, if you see, this is our tool calling agent. Okay, and so when you open the simple agent template, you will see predefined visual workflows. Like this is the workflow, one of the workflow. So let's break down its core components. Okay, so this one is the agent block. This is the brain of your operation. So where you can configure your large language models. Like if you see, there is a list of all the models, large language models. So setting includes like model providers like OpenAI, Grok, Anthropic. So you can select any of the model name. Okay, so here you have to pass the agent instructions. Like if I click, you can click on this one. So you are a helpful assistant that can use tools to answer questions and perform tasks. Use markdown to format your answers properly, embedding image URLs, and so you can fine tune this instructions. So here if you see, this is the input, it is receiving the input from the chat. So here is the chat input. Okay, this one is the chat input. So you can drag and drop also like this. And let me make it here. So this is the memory, like the chatbot is having the message memory, so it can refer. So if you see over the tools, okay, let me more zoom in. Okay, and you can close that one also, we will discuss that later on. So if you see here, so this is the tools. From currently we have the calculator tool, Gen AI toolbox, and date time tools. Okay, these are the tools. So if you see, if you click on this one, so here is the code. What is the code behind that tool calling agent? If you click on this one, you will find the tool over here. Okay, these are the controls what you see on the screen. And this is, and if you want to use this as a tool in a tool mode, you have to click on this one. And there are some other settings also. Okay, so control, save, you can save it, and duplicate if you want to duplicate, copy, freeze. Okay, just you want to test with this component, and you can delete and you can download also. Okay, you can save from here, and you can share this flow also. If you click on this one, you can export and import flows also. I can share with you that flow if I export and give to you. Okay, and this is the let me close this one. And this is how, like, you can connect the dots basically. Okay, and there are other components if you see. So you can build your custom components also, and you can save it. Okay, this is the input components, input thing. So there are different types of inputs we can configure. This is the output things. Okay, output components. And this is for the prompt, this is for the data. You can access the data through API request, file, graph, query language request, load data URL from webhooks. Okay, and we have the models from here, different types of models. Okay, this is vector stores. Here we can find the different vector stores, embeddings, what kind of embedding you want to select. And here is the agent, React agent, tool calling agent. And here is the tools. Okay, so here is the some of the LangChain components are there. Gen AI orchestrator, agent catalog is there, evaluation. Okay, and you can use large language model as a judge for the evaluation purpose also. So basically this is how the UI part. And suppose if you want to use this flow in your VS code, and then how you can use it, you can export the the code behind that flow. Just you have to click on this one, play API. And if you want the Python API, you can use it like this. Okay, and suppose if you want to test it, you can click on the playground. This kind of chat interface is open. Just click on this one. Hi, how can assist you? So let me ask, what is, so you can see how it works. And if you want to more deep dive, so this is how it is working. It takes 6.5 seconds, and the output is this much. And suppose if you want to ask anything which is it has to call the tools. So let me check that also. If I search this one, So if you click on for this query, if you see executed calculator component evaluate expression, so here it is calling the calculator tool for this time. Okay, so this is how it was. In case of you can add various tools also, like search tools, okay, SQL tools you can add. So, and you can modify the instructions in each one. Okay, you can modify the instructions here, and you can deploy and use this agent via the API. I already talked about this one, and you can make your own Python files using the API over here. So for this video, just I want to show you how you can build a basic AI agent using the Langflow visual interface. In the next video, we will be doing a Zira automation using the Langflow. So I will show you how you can build real world company, like real use case applications with the help of Langflow. So I will build a bot which will do the Zira ticket automation. So for this video, like just we build a basic AI agent using our Langflow visual interface. So further, and you can explore further like about the Langflow. So it's a very rich library having different components. You can explore other sections like data for connecting to database and uploading the files, and you can explore the embeddings and vector stores for building powerful RAG based agents, and other tools like YouTube tool, or to build even more specialized agents also. So thank you. Stay tuned for more videos. In the next lecture, we will build a one use case with the Zira automation. Thank you.